Nanu, I want to thank you so much for how you have grown our YouTube channel. For those of you watching, I'm going to show you shortly a little demo on that. But I've worked hard on professionalizing the channel, upskilling it with the videos that we had done from a marketing perspective. And this has been a couple year to few year effort. But this year and the end of 2025, we really started leveling it up with your support. I love watching how quickly our channel is growing and how we're getting the right people based on keywords, SEO, and getting the right graphics and descriptions in there so that it matches the work that we're doing and we reach the right folks who could use our Zephyr support to elevate their workplace cultures. Take a look at what we've done together.